we're doing ratios and proportions. So this is on page 66 in your book. So what is a ratio? A ratio compares two numbers or quantities by using division. So our volleyball team this season, we won 9 and lost 11. So the ratio of wins to losses is 9 to 11. You can write it by putting a little colon in the middle, or you can write it with the word 2 in the middle, 9 to 11, or you can write it as a fraction, 9 over 11. That means we had 9 wins and 11 losses. Okay, the 9, the first number is called the antecedent, and the second number is called the consequent. So ratios have equivalents just like fractions do. 9 to 11 is the same as 99 to 121. I just multiplied both by 11 to get an equivalent fraction. If I multiply both by 3, I could say 9 to 11 is the same as 27 to 33. Or I could multiply it by 2 and get 18 to 22. So 18 to 22 and 9 to 11 are equivalent fractions. You can also reduce. This one isn't reducible, but let's say I had 3 to 9. 3 to 9 is the same as 6 to 18. I just multiplied by 2 each. Or I could reduce it and say it's the same as 1 to 3. Okay? That's ratio. When we talk about proportions, we're talking about two equivalent ratios joined together by an equal sign. Okay? So this here is a proportion. 1/2 is equal to 3/6. Those are in proportion. Or 1 to 2 is equal to 3 to 6. Okay? When you have it like this, the two numbers in the middle are called the means, and the two numbers on the end are called the extremes. Okay, so you've got it here, means and extremes. When you set it up like a fraction, back to setting it up like this, these two numbers, the left top one and the bottom right one, are called the extremes, and these two numbers are called the means. Okay, so write the missing term. We need to figure out what term in here is equivalent to 5/6. So how do you figure that out? Well, 6 times 6 is 36. So what's 5 times 6?
20.
30.
Oh, oops.
Okay, so 5 times 6 is 30. So this is the missing term. And what you guys are going to do is page 66 through 67. I'd like you to go up to section 4.3, which ends on page 69. Okay? Thank you.
Well,